Did you hear whispers of a pearl in the Indian Ocean? A place where time stands still and the world's beauty hides in plain sight, waiting to be uncovered. Here, the earth beats with its own rhythm, calling to those who listen.
Buddhaṃ saraṇaṃ gacchāmi.
Here, nature reigns, untamed and breathtaking. It invites you to explore, to wander, to lose yourself and find yourself again. They call it a lost land. But once you're here, you realize you've found something, part of you that belongs. Welcome to Sri Lanka.